In this video, I'm going to show you the best AI automation board between Dify and Typebot. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. So the first thing we want to know is that Dify and Typebot both are AI automation tools. Both serve different purpose over here. Dify is an open source low code platform that helps in building generative AI application. After that, it offers flexible LLM integration, allowing users to switch between different large language models. Then it also provides robust orchestration capabilities with a drag and drop interface, making AI workflows easy to manage. After that, enterprise grade features like secure data pipelines and on-premise solution make it a reliable choice for business. Now let's talk about Typebot over here. Typebot is a no-code chatbot platform that helps in building interactive chatbot and service. After that, it allows users to create chatbot without coding, making it ideal for non-developers. Then it also supports AI tool integration, including Dify to enhance chatbot capabilities. Now let's look at how Dify and Typebot work together. Over here, Typebot integrates with Dify, allowing users to build chatbot with advanced AI capabilities. After that, this means you can use Dify AI feature inside Typebot to make the chatbot more intelligent and responsive. Now, which one should you use? And choose over here Dify if you need a complete AI automation solution with advanced feature. After that, go with the Typebot if you want to create chatbot service and with an easy to use interface. That's how you can decide between Dify and Typebot for AI automation in 2025. Thanks for watching.